introduction. We have old dogs that's 14 years old, and we have 3 years old, 5 years old, and 1 year old, male and female. So let's see how Koby does with all these dogs. Come on, Koby. I'm a stranger to Koby, and he doesn't know all my dogs at home. So we just want to take it very gentle. I'm dropping the leash. Koby, come on, it's okay. It's a little shy, but it's not too bad. Come, Koby. Just sit there. Tail is getting up a little. That's really good. He's gonna do well in a home with dogs. Very gentle, fun and playful, but also very gentle dog.